How to use privacy settings on social media. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use privacy settings on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Protecting your privacy online is essential, so let's dive right in and make sure your accounts are secure. Open your app, for example Facebook, and tap on the three horizontal lines in the which is the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Under the Privacy section, tap on Privacy Settings. Now, adjust privacy settings as following. Who can see your posts? Tap on Who can see your future posts and select your desired audience. Reviewing posts you're tagged in, so tap on Timeline and Tag In, and manage who can post on your timeline and review posts you're tagged in. And who can send you friend requests. Under How people find you and contact you, adjust who can send you friend requests. See your friends list and look up using your email or phone number. For added security, enable two-factor authentication under Security and Login. And you can do the same thing with Instagram in Security and Privacy settings. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your privacy settings on Facebook and Instagram to better protect your personal information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.